In today's video, we're going to learn about concentration conversions. More specifically, we'll take a look at converting percent strength to milligram per ml and also gram per ml to milligram per ml. These are the specific type of problems that I solved in my unit conversion calculation workbook. So check it out, link in the description. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. So first, we'll take a look at percent strength, what that means, and how to convert it to milligram per ml. So what is percent strength? And for this video, we'll stick to percent strength weight in volume. So percent strength weight in volume is grams of solute per 100 ml of solution. So how do you convert percent strength to milligram per ml? So we already know that percent strength, percent is gram over 100 ml. So we have percent equals gram over 100 ml. Now to convert to milligram per ml, we need to convert grams to milligrams. And by the way, if you need more information, more practice about metric conversion, so for example, converting to gram to milligram, that's a metric conversion. I have a specific video on that topic, and that's also included in my unit conversion calculation workbook. So we'll convert gram to milligram, then we'll have milligram over 100 ml, then we can find the answer. Now, another method we can use to convert percent strength to milligram per ml, this is a shortcut, that's a hack. So when you have a percent strength weight in volume, you want to convert it to milligram per ml, all you have to do is move the decimal one place to the right, or in other words, multiply by 10. And you'll get the same answer. We'll do some examples so you can see this in practice. Okay, let's look at the first example. Convert 5% to milligram per ml. So first we'll do it the long way and then we'll see if we get the same answer as the shortcut, right? So 5%, we know percent is gram over 100 ml. So 5% then equals 5 grams over 100 ml. So how do you convert 5 grams to milligrams? So you need a conversion factor. 1 gram is 1,000 milligram. So that means 5 grams is 5 times 1,000. That's 5,000 milligrams. So you have 5,000 milligrams over 100 ml. So once you divide that, you'll have 50 milligram per ml. So that means 5% equals 50 milligram per ml. Now, let's take a look at the second method. So remember what I said, you can just move the decimal one place to the right, or that's the same thing as saying multiply by 10. So 5 times 10, that's 50 milligram per ml. As you can see, two methods, same answer. Let's take a look at another example. Convert 2% to milligram per ml. So first method, 2% is 2 grams over 100 ml. Again, we need to know the conversion factor, which is 1 gram is 1,000 milligram. So that means 2 gram is 2 times 1,000, that's 2,000 milligrams. So we'll have 2,000 milligrams over 100 ml, and that's 20 milligram per ml. Now, let's look at the second method, which is moving the decimal one place to the right or multiplying by 10. So 2 times 10, that's also 20 milligram per ml. So that means 2% is 20 milligram per ml. Okay, now let's look at converting gram per ml to milligram per ml. Now, gram, so this one is simpler, so less steps. So gram per ml to milligram per ml. So all we have to do here is convert grams to milligrams. We just mentioned that 1 grams is 1,000 milligrams. So that's a metric conversion you need to know. So 1 gram is 1,000 milligram. So let's use an example. Convert 2 gram over 400 ml to milligram per ml. Okay, so we need to convert 2 grams to milligrams. 2 grams is 2 times 1,000. That's 2,000 milligrams. So we'll have 2,000 milligrams over 400 ml. So 2,000 divided by 400, that's 50 milligram per ml. So 2 gram over 400 ml is the same thing as 50 milligram per ml. That's how you convert it to milligram per ml. Let's look at another example. Convert 3 gram per 600 ml to milligram per ml. So conversion factor, we need to know 1 gram is 1,000 milligram. So now we need to convert 3 grams to milligrams. So it's going to be 3 times 1,000, so that's 3,000 milligrams. So now we have 3,000 milligrams over 600 ml. So 3,000 divided by 600, that's 50 milligram per ml. So 3 grams per 600 ml is 50 milligram per ml. If you found this helpful and you would like more practice, check out my Ultimate Guide to Unit Conversions in Dosage Calculation Workbook. It is available now, link in the description. In this workbook, I have 3 sections. The first section is basic metric conversions, where you convert within the metric system. So that's gram to milligram to kilogram, between liters and milliliters, and also between metric and non-metric systems. So that's ounces, teaspoon, and tablespoon to mLs, and vice versa. And then the last section is concentration conversions, which is what we solve in this video today. So, and then also multiple problems and an answer key for you to practice. So check it out if you're interested. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.